Oh, there hurts my face. But at least we don't have alligators. Hey guys, it's Dustin, and today we're gonna be putting these 24x14's and 35s on that Toyota Tacoma. Let's get it. Oh God, oh God. The wheel and tire is literally the size of the whole bed, by the way. Look at that nice long travel suspension there. Look at that. So much room for activities here. All right, guys, we got the good old Tacoma up on the lift here. We're gonna get the current wheels and tires off of it, and then we'll get the 24x14's out here, get them bolted up, and see what happens. Same but different, right? Like, they're kind of close. I just feel like these don't belong in here. Like, it's on the lift still, and I feel like that they just shouldn't go there, but we're gonna try it anyway. Oh, jeez. Why is this truck so high? We took like 31s off of it. Nope, don't do it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Whew. Holy shit. I think I have a hernia now. Those wheel studs are literally like this, they're tiny. If it fits, I sits. A Tacoma, bro. Who's gonna drive it? Me. No. Yeah. Panger called me up the other day and said, bro, I'm trying to stunt for the gram. So we're putting 24x14's and 35s on it. You don't need to turn if you can stunt on the gram and look like a baller. So we got the wheels and tires on now, guys. We gotta put it back on the ground. But first, we're gonna go get a couple people and ask them if they think it's gonna fit. All right, buddy, what you think?
Dude, this thing is wild. A mini truck on 14 wides.
And 35s.
I don't think it's gonna turn.
Why not? Look at it, you got plenty of room. Come here, look. We're not even all the way, like the weight's not down on it yet, but look at all this room for activities.
Have we tried turning it yet?
No. Yeah, I think it's neat.
It looks dope, but I don't think it's gonna turn at all.
I guess we'll find out. Look at this thing, bro.
I want this.
Same, it's not on the ground yet.
Oh, I thought it was lifted that high. Like, this is perfect.
Yeah, I like it a lot. I mean, you still wouldn't be able to turn, right? Because like,
go straight home.
Just go straight home, bro. That's all you gotta do.
I can barely get 2 fingers in there.
How are we gonna turn that thing?
How are we gonna get this out of the parking lot?
I don't know, but we gotta go to Quick Trip.
You're not gonna make it.
We're going. You wanna come with? I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't know if with more than 2 of us in the truck, I don't think we'd make it. Okay, but low key, with like an aftermarket front bumper and NorCal the f out of this setup would slap. Like, it's such a good look. All right, guys, so we got the wheels and tires on the Tacoma here, of course. I'm not sure how we're gonna drive it yet, but let's get this thing outside and let's go for a joyride. Guys, this is literally all the turn we get out of this. So if you can see here, we're already rubbing and we're probably a quarter turn. So every time we turn a corner is gonna have to be like a 60-point turn. It should be interesting. Again, it's leveled, no trimming, no nothing like that. Let's go see if we can actually drive it around town. This is it, that's all I got. Hold on. Oh my God. So bad. Oh, that one wasn't so bad. Look, we had it like queued up. We're figuring it out. I like barely breathed. Like I turned it like, oh, look it, we're not even 90 degrees. And we're rubbing. This dude behind me is just screaming at his steering wheel. So we're gonna stop at my favorite place in the whole world, Quick Trip, and see if we can get in here, maybe get something to drink, and then get the heck out of here without too many issues. I can't turn it anywhere. Jesus. I'm gonna cheat and take the one in front of me. We're gonna have to like shoot this corner now too, because we're at like this weird angle. Bro, literally I have to back up out of the driveway. Oh God, I literally like I'm trying not to hit the ditch. All right, we're on the road. We're good. We're going. All right, so the trick here is that you hug that center line and then you like cut it in. There we go. Ah! We're taking, oh, I feel like I'm driving a tractor, bro. Like, there we go. All right, we're good. We're golden. Once you make like the peak of the corner, like the apex, right? Then you can just go back about it. It's awesome. All right, guys, so can you put 24x14's and 35s on a Tacoma? Yes. Should you? Probably not, especially not without any sort of trimming or something like that. The good news is that if you want to find out what fits your truck, you can find all of that at customoffsets.com/gallery. And if you want to pick up a set of ARKONs just like this one, you can do so at customoffsets.com. Get them shipped to your door in as little as 7 days. Peace.